no balo. Onge di chieng, and I want to be quoted. Maja UDA mora at the grassroots level. Nobody approached the UDA. And I want to inform you, most of us want the UDA Mahoma Bay County and across Nyanza region. One German Obalo, UDM, called Loch Margo Kur, we are naturally rebellious. One Jomokomok Nyalagoni Kur, Tipamonegi, to give you Sego Tirito Gerigopom, what waro, bait pin, you go you duol. Siasa marwa and margo you duol, and Siasa. Maji ikisera, mi wachoni jokama, watimu kama.
Ondie, Obuya, manasani kama intire karkai. Dipo ni, ondie kangabiri. Gima timore county ma Homa Bay. Enikech jo UDA man Homa Bay kata man Nyanza noko man patch gimotelo ne yiero madundu man intiere karkan manyalo bene gi support. Ainya kasipul jachung machielo mopogore gi marja ODM mane broad based arrangement.
Adwa nyisi ni officer nitie Homa Bay County but office Gladys Wanga. Onge di chien mas simbane gi simbo officials maga makasipul. Sibia ODM mora se donjo ni jokama donwan joka ngato. Koro in the spirit of broad-based, wabeda ni ugiduo moro amadu breakfast. Koro campaign kasepol. Obuya gitim ni makasepol maku namba ni mondogo. There's no single day. And gimowa one wabeti talk chia. No ewari ito mondo migie ni gejwa. The best we did was not to field a candidate.
Tuberi talk chia nango Obuya to jaten pin Kenya kachelo koda kaja lup ne kidhure kindiki osebi ugo ahead kaka duon bura.
They go ahead, that way you see, can I be quoted? One kakajo UDA onge memo manu work, one is structures of leadership, ma work office secretary general. One waonge, Kamoro Manu Luongwa, the secretary general, no Luongo Mabedo informed that we were not going to field a candidate. It was Nen Ratiro Mariodium on approach one Gekora. Another thing, Unge and Adwagon UDA Camano, Mano Gochane Boy, Adwagon UDA Camano, Mano Gochana Rocco Gijo Mamo Comana Casipul. Ni moving forward, not more Konge, ni unvende un stakeholders in Homa Bay. Ma parani Kosero Mogijotelo Mamalo, to Kuru Union Uanyona, Meduti Koduiu. UDA ma kasepol ke dagon wiro kamana
nyondie kantire
ni right of reply kapo kundie kode o wadwane
nige mane ma wone di chako godo teri we ma
o wadwane no mago gen issues no not weight issues issue ba weight nen ma chako godo no number 1 o wadwane anomora omora ko wacho ni ni Obuya ni no umo wiye makata yewu mi okonyane no. At the same time, Owacho, Nino Kawe Motivenade, Mo Maki Gibuni a Paragaberio. Kura Kani to Sabu Maki to Bunia Paragabio to Pananade. Number 2, Owacho, Nick Gige, Simbege, Gigi Mana Omake Godo, Noyodo Kadisi. Iwija, Makindubi, police station. Erika Kinyalo Maki Giguns, Bingat Ma. Oumu wiye mo Kenya kataneno yeume iwinja kaso gigi end up nade office DCI maguns gi toko maki iwinja kendo wacho ni gigi mano kao oyudo tek office DCI kendo wacho kanyo
Cleophas
just hold on this is criminal this is on my personal.
If it is criminal then you should be arrested. You did that for Yambo now Cleophas so get down
this is a national TV national TV katasa niti joma accuse you of a lot of things. I cannot bring it here kaungi my friend. Stay out of this. Stay out of this. Number one. Owadwane, I want you to stay out of this. Because we can pull that same time. Now, number 1. Owadwane can you case Skoda? Case no, was it reported? Kamano you the syndicate.
Or what on Osago report?
Osago report on defamation. Or what on your God report on defamation? Number 1, I'm waiting Mondo Miabed summoned Mondo Warum Code on a judicial bench. Number 2, cannot report on criminal element. You understand? Cannot report. Then whatever he's saying, Sanem Sharia watching afterthought. Afterthought is purely driven by malice. You understand? And Kapode and Afo did not record statement then. On the criminal element part of it. Then, my brother, I am telling you that number 2.
Number 3.
Number 3. A citizen arrest. It is in law that any citizen is perceived to be breaking the law or is seen to be breaking the law. Cheko yenaja pain, marama kongani, kaso hand over the police.
So you are confirming that you did something.
I am saying.
So you are
confirming what the law allows.
Kawalu discussion, but you give me. But